What's up, folks? I'm Mitch with Stone Coat Epoxy. We're on set for the final time. We're gonna create a giant epoxy foam wall covered with the Ultimate Top Coat Natural Edition. Stay tuned, folks, and enjoy the video. The epoxy walls are prepped. The seams have been taped together. The next step, I'm gonna mix up 1.5 ounces of Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy to apply our fiberglass mesh. We're in no rush. We're gonna pour these tomorrow, so we took it easy. We mixed up some regular Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. That gives us a much more open working time. We have a good hour to get this the way we want it. If you're using quick coat, 25 minutes to get that the way you want it. So we'd be hustling. The mesh has been applied. That step is complete. We're gonna let this cure. We'll be back tomorrow to apply the flood coat. So the next step, we're gonna take our window insulation foam with a sticky back and go around the perimeter. It's time to mix up for our color coat. We're prepped and ready to go. As you can see, we're going a pretty wild, contrasting, exotic pour blue vein running right through the center of our foam walls. And then we're going to the Stone Coat Classic Carrara Marble to tie it all together. Stay tuned, folks. Here comes the fun part. We're back for the final step. We're applying the Ultimate Top Coat. We've sanded the surface with 220 grit sandpaper. We've cleaned the dust with 91% isopropyl alcohol. It's now time to mix up the top coat. This is a 2-to-1 mixture. We have 250 square feet of tops. We're going one kit, so no need to use your graph chart here. We're just gonna mix up this whole kit. That is thick. It barely wants to come off, so you could add up to 5% volume in water. So I add a little bit at a time. It's a wet roll, dry roll process. Luke and Matt are gonna apply the material evenly using rollers that are completely saturated in the top coat. I'm gonna follow behind them and dry roll. I'll be using dry rollers to remove the excess material, and then from there, it's almost like a sprayed on finish. You can do this, guys. From Stone Coat Countertops, don't forget you got this, and we'll see you on the next video.